Hi, right on location. If I sound like I'm a little out of breath, it took me a little bit to walk over here to this area. What I wanted to show you is something right in our own backyard. So let me see if I can get a little closer. When it really rains or rains anytime, we have these waterfalls that come over off the side of this hill here. In a moment I'll show you where I'm at, but I'm sure many of you have gone by this area and never took a second look at it. Let me see if I can get a little closer here so you can see the water. It's coming over. It's really raining though. It's a really neat waterfall. There's a few more here that I'll get some pictures of. I'll let you listen to it for a moment. As you can see from a distance here, the water coming down the hill, and there's some little small ones, and then the water comes down this way and it flows past my shadow and down over to a small pond. Now here's another little small waterfalls. Like I say, when it rains, they're going strong, and this just flows down. Probably from the traffic, you probably could tell by now that I'm near a major road here. See how the majority of these just start off as just like coming out of a hole out of the ground, and they just make their way. So this ground is pretty saturated. Now what I'm going to show you is probably one of my favorite ones. Now you can see where the water flows off this rock, and it comes down and it gathers here at this little open space, and then it tumbles down. Now this is a really neat waterfall when it starts to go. Now this whole area is just filled with waterfalls. If you should just come by, of course on a rainy day or just right after it rained, you can see all different kinds of waterfalls coming off this mountain. It's really amazing. Like I say, it's right in our own backyard, and it's just like one of those things, if you blink, you'll miss it. Here's another one going pretty strong. Let me see if I can get a little closer so you can listen to it. Now you're wondering, where are these waterfalls? Well, if I tell you, just wish that you come over here and respect it. A lot of people I see come over here and they drink the beer and stuff. So anyway, and then you have to walk a little distance. But anyway, I'll tell you where I'm at. This is what they call Elephant Hill. And up on top is a police shooting range. And there's beautiful downtown Pomona. This is the road you take to go to Diamond Bar. Yeah. The traffic going by. See on the other side of the hill up there too? Water just seeping out. That's what makes waterfalls. That's what happened over here with this hill. The hill gets so saturated with water that it creates these waterfalls. But to really see them full effect, you gotta come here when it's raining. Then they're really going strong. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Here on location with Ren.